Hey YouTube, this is RyRy here. It is 9/19/2019. I got a drone last year, a UDI 818A-1-P. Finally getting around to using it here. First day of droning, I guess you could say. So far so good. I've had my ups and downs, I guess you could say, with it. Lots of crashes. This thing is very forgiving. I got a little nighttime video. It's got a 720p camera and takes pictures as well. A good all-around beginner drone, so I'll get out there tomorrow and give it another shot, see how it is. Thanks for watching, guys. I was able to get a little bit of dusk time drone flying in at my house, but definitely need a bigger area to fly this thing, even though it's so small. It's a fun hobby for sure. I'm looking forward to do some more flying here soon. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you next time.